Just thought I'd try this live streaming thing. Anyway, let's get into it. So as I told you in my last video, the motors on the Snowcats is too small. So I'll draw in a new one. So I added the canvas for to get some dimensions for the gearbox and motor. And we'll just resize it and start drawing. So let's move it roughly into place. And then we can try to calibrate it. So all the dimensions are here, so I'm going to use the dimensions and not the actual drawing. Roughly there. And then we'll do a sketch on the same plane, which is this one. We'll start with what's it called again? Project. Yes, project this center axis. So we'll just hit P and select that. Something's quite off. So that's the beauty of not having a plan while you design, and then starting to trying to redesign it afterwards. So I guess we will project this circle from the wheel hub instead, because we can design from that. So there we have the center. So the axle on this gearbox is 8 millimeters. So we'll start off with a circle, hitting C on the keyboard, doing 8 millimeters. And let's start with the outer perimeter. We have some dimensions, so we will just do some simple construction lines. First one that is 20 millimeters from the center, and then this is upside down, so it should be 11 plus 9. It should be 20. And then we have the starting a corner to start the box. We'll do a 2-point rectangle, and the dimension calls for 58 by 40. And then we can do these screw holes, some new construction lines. 14 millimeters up and 11. And these are M4s, so we can just do 4 millimeters. I guess we can do just 4 millimeters. Another circle, just hitting C, and 4. And then to make the other ones, we will go to the rectangular pattern and select this one. And I think we should do 2, and the distance minus 40. And 2 down and 28. So that's actually all we need. We can let's see. If we delete this construction line, maybe, yeah. We'll round off the corners. Three millimeters looks quite right. Okay, maybe we should do these knobs too, just for good measure. Do I have dimensions? Not really. No, I really don't need those. We'll finish it. And we can extrude it. Let's start with the axle. Extrude is just the E key on your keyboard. (15-ish millimeters. And of course we need to remove the wheels. So new body, and then get the sketch back in and extrude this. So the outer dimensions, if you take all of this other stuff into account, which makes it easier to give it enough room, it should be 35. So it's not going to be too detailed, but that really doesn't matter. So there's the new gearbox. Let's see if we can add this motor too. Thank you, Hawkis. Sorry I'm late, but I'm too focused on my construction. So let's see if we can get this motor in the right place. I think I'm gonna cheat. And just do a cylinder on this face. No, we'll do it as a sketch because then it's easier to adjust. So the motor is 31 millimeters in diameter. And the center line is at the center line of the gearbox. And it's offset quite a bit. So if we do a 2-point circle and give it some room on the right side and make it 31. And no dimensions for the length, so we'll just extrude it by hitting E on the keyboard, selecting everything, and just pull it out to here, somewhere there. So I guess that's a very short live session, just to try it out, more or less. But if you're watching the rerun, then please remember to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a lot, and it will make sure that you get information whenever I put some new videos out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.